Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you my heating system for science class. So here we go. This is the burner, which heats up air that goes through this pipe and through there, and also through here and up through that. And go out that way, and go out that way. Right, so that's what heats the air. This is the based air vent, and all the air that is already cooled goes back up through there and back to the burner, where it will be reheated. So that's that one. And then around the house, such as in my room, we have these. I'm going to zoom in on. And that is where the heat comes out of and warms rooms such as my room, which is where we are right now. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of my heating system. And yeah, bye.